Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Miguel, also known as Spider-Migz. So today I'm bringing you a long-awaited unboxing, or long-awaited on my behalf. I'm very excited to show you guys what I have in store today. Me per usual, I'm always gonna tie a story back into it. So I'm not gonna say too much. I'm really excited to bring you guys this unboxing early. Well, early when I'm recording this, but you'll see it on the day of release. Well, let me stop rambling. Let me just get to the unboxing. This is brought to you by the good folks at New Balance. I had to cover my address there, but here you go. Oh man, I am super excited to see this, man. Super excited. I've been waiting for like the last 2 weeks. Before I get to the box, just want to again say thank you to the good folks at New Balance. Shout out to Jordan. Shout out to Joe. Shout out to Kevin. If it wasn't for Kevin and Joe and Jordan, I probably wouldn't have ever gotten these shoes. Also, shout out to Made by NGO. I think that's his Instagram. He's the one that designed this shoe. Super fire. It's like me and you were in the same think tank when this was being designed. Just want to predicate this by saying I had no parts in making this shoe. It was just very coincidental. And yeah, let me get to it. So, opening the box, man. Oh, I can already see it. Oh man, this is the first time I unbox it, by the way. So this is live with you guys. Oh my gosh. Woo! Hold on, there's a piece of paper here. Oh, it's just the receipt. Okay. All right. You can see here, boom, it says Levi's for feet by New Balance. Oh man. Oh man. Yo. Boom. There you guys see it. This is the New Balance X Levi's 327 Levi's for feet. This is the second collaboration between New Balance and Levi's for this year in 2020. I am so excited to bring you guys this shoe. This is like my third take because my phone died, but yeah. So before we get into the nitty and gritty of the shoe and all its details, just wanted to show you the details of the box. So you have New Balance right here on the gray lower portion of the box. New Balance on this side. New Balance Levi's for feet right here with all the sizing information and the width. And on the top of the box, you have Levi's for feet and New Balance written right there. It's like screen printed on it, very nicely. You can feel it. Super cool. Yeah, this box is pretty sturdy as well. But let's get into the shoes because I know that's what you guys are here for, along with the story, of course. The paper says fiercely independent since 1906. I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying my best. There it goes. All right, so here go the shoes right here. Man, I am excited to show you guys these for sure. Let's start with the medial side, of course. So this shoe right here was done in a split fashion. That's been like a running theme throughout the course of the rollout of the 327, which I unbiasedly declared the best new design or sneaker silhouette, I should say, of 2020. And it's not even because New Balance sent me these shoes. I legit have 3 other pairs, and more coming soon because that's how much I love this shoe. I have 3 pairs now with gum soles. You know, I don't know if you guys could tell, but throughout a lot of my concepts, gum rubber soles have been running theme, but that's neither here nor there. Let's get into the shoe. So looking at the lateral side, you have the outsole right here done in white with gray trim, and then this medial side right here is the underlay right here, which is basically the inside part. So the white part right here is done in all canvas, and it's not transparent as much like the other pairs. So like this USA colorway, for example, when I wear my stand socks, you know how it has like a blue rand? You can see it through here, through this material right here. But back to this shoe. So the overlays, which is basically the parts on top, are done in gray suede. You have one overlay right here for the eyelet. You have another one here for the top eyelet, and you have the one for the toe, which is done in gray suede, and then the heel is done in gray suede as well, which is pretty rigid. And then New Balance is there, embossed in the heel. So moving to my favorite part, the tongue and the lateral side. So on the tongue, you have New Balance right here, the logo with a nylon tab, and it's done in white with a leather strand going down the tongue. And the tongue is split since the shoe is split. Man, like I'll put up a side by side, but like my version compared to this one is just crazy because it's like, best believe, like I've been saying before, I did not plan this at all. I didn't even play a part in the design process. And I'm not saying that in a bad way. It's just like it's so coincidental that happened. Again, shout out to Kevin and the guys at New Balance for sending this over, for real. It's like me and NGO were like in the same think tank when he was designing this shoe. It's insane. Like, so both of us, I should say, I mean, I don't want to really speak for him, but both of us, I guess we had denim in mind. I for sure wanted to tell the story of Japanese denim and how New Balances really have been worn with like workwear clothing. And if you guys didn't know, Japanese denim and denim itself are considered workwear because that's what denim was really made for originally, to be worn to work, you know, for people who are doing blue collar jobs. So to compare the two shoes, so what I did for mine, I'll start off with the N logo because that's probably my favorite part. So on this pair, the N is double backed. I don't know if you can see that. So I'll try my best so you can see the material. But basically the larger N on the back is tumbled leather, and then the one overlaying it is smooth. And then it has the New Balance, no, not the New Balance, I'm sorry. It has the Levi's patch right here like the denim usually does. The overlay is done in blue suede, and you can see the change of color. That's how you know the suede is done pretty well. And by the cut too, the cut is pretty thick. And then the underlay is like nice soft denim, like Levi's denim. Super cool. So what I did for mine was the whole entire thing was done in denim. So instead of it being split, the entire thing was done in denim. This blue part right here would have translated to the other side, and it would have been done in dark denim, and then the underlay would have been all like similar to this, would have been the same exact denim that they used. Oh, one thing I forgot, well, two things I forgot to mention actually. The inside, the liner is done in white leather, and the insole says Levi's for feet, and it brings a spare set of laces in blue. So back to what I was saying. So I don't know, it's just super crazy how how coincidental it was, you know. Like I designed that shoe 3 months ago, well, 2 to 3 months ago, and I just thought it'd be cool to throw denim on this, you know, because I feel like this silhouette is just so simple, and it's like you do a lot with it. And it's really comfortable, you know. It's not like grandiose, it's not like bouncy or anything. It's just like a lot of New Balances are really good for neutral wear. Well, neutral wear being like, you know, it's nothing really special, but for all day comfort, very comfortable. But yeah, I think it's super cool, man. Again, big thank you to the guys at New Balance for sending this over. I really appreciate it. One thing I forgot to mention, I didn't want this go without mentioning. This shoe is actually an amalgam of two shoes. So the 322 and the 377, I think it's a 322 comp and the 377. So designer Charlotte Lee, she combined both of them and made this silhouette. That in and of itself, that story alone, on regular colorways in and of itself, made me a fan of the shoe, because I love it when brands can go back and they tell the story of two other shoes that they used to make, and they put it together and they bring us something new and fresh. And it's like this shoe, it feels like this shoe has been around, but then at the same time it's brand new. Like the design language makes it seem it makes it seem vintage yet modern at the same time. So like it fits today's era, and I just really love this shoe. Like I hope one day I get to do something with New Balance on the shoe like this, because man, I love this shoe. Like, yo, shout out to Charlotte, she bodied this for real, and shout out to NGO for putting his take with Levi's and all that. Super cool, man. Shout out to Kevin and the partnership team and the marketing team, man. You guys really knocked it out the park with this one. The 1300 and this one too, for sure. Just to let you guys know, also Levi's for feet is a defunct line of sneakers that Levi's used to make with not with New Balance, but they used to make. And the premise was what this shoe is: Levi's for your feet that you could wear, you know, probably wear to like the workplace. I'll put a couple pictures up of what the posters used to look like and what the shoe used to look like as well. But I appreciate you guys for coming to watch this video. Again, thank you to New Balance for the shoes. I highly appreciate it. Hopefully one day I could be a part of your team and we could probably make some stuff like this together. Not a collaboration on my behalf, but you know, just help you guys make product. That's definitely what I want to do. Again, last but not least, this is the New Balance 327 X Levi's for your feet, the second collaboration between New Balance and Levi's for 2020. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. This has been another Spider-Migz video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.